Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Transit bonnet without a key. First, check for an internal release lever, often found near the driver's footwell or under the dashboard. If that's not an option or it fails, we'll explore external methods. You'll want to have a flathead screwdriver or a small pry bar handy for these steps. Many Ford Transit models feature an internal bonnet release lever. Look for it on the driver's side, typically beneath the dashboard or in the footwell area. Once located, pull this lever firmly towards you. This action should release the primary bonnet latch. You can then move to the front of the vehicle to address the secondary safety catch. If the internal lever isn't working or absent, external access is necessary. Carefully insert a flathead screwdriver or a pry bar through the front grille. Aim to manipulate the bonnet latch mechanism directly. On some models, you might need to reach underneath the vehicle to locate and pull the release cable, which can be found near the center. After the primary latch is released, whether internally or externally, locate the secondary safety latch. This is usually positioned in the center, just above the Ford emblem. Push or lift this small latch to fully open the bonnet. Always proceed with caution to avoid damaging the grille or the locking mechanism during this process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.